This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ghost Rider with clay. First, gather your materials, including a strong wire for the armature, aluminum foil, and your chosen polymer clay. Begin by shaping the wire into a basic skeletal structure, ensuring it's stable enough to support the clay. Then, wrap aluminum foil around the wire to create the general bulk and form of the body, which helps reduce the amount of clay needed and keeps the figure lighter. Now, apply a thin, even layer of your polymer clay over the foil armature, smoothing out any rough spots. Begin sculpting the body's musculature, paying attention to anatomical accuracy for a dynamic pose. Next, add the details of his signature leather jacket, including folds and textures. Don't forget to sculpt the chains that are a crucial part of his look, ensuring they have a realistic drape. The flaming skull is Ghost Rider's most iconic feature. Start by forming the basic skull shape using white or a light-colored clay, focusing on the distinct bone structure. Carefully sculpt the eye sockets, nasal cavity, and individual teeth for a menacing expression. Then, using translucent orange and yellow clays, sculpt dynamic flames that appear to emanate from the skull, giving it a fiery, ethereal glow. Once all the sculpting is complete, carefully bake your Ghost Rider figure following the specific temperature and time instructions for your polymer clay. After it cools, apply acrylic paints to add depth, shading, and vibrant colors to bring your creation to life. Use black for shadows and bright oranges and yellows for the flames. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. This final step truly makes your Ghost Rider pop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.